Guys, this is Sonesh.
What is this chamak?
I know.
I welcome you all to the Mumbai Humor Writers Meetup. We are a bunch of people. We are a motley crew of people who kind of, dabble in different sorts of things in a daily lives. So why don't we, have a brief introduction? So, Mr. Siddharth Banerjee over here. He's an economist by day.
You are introducing.
And Mr. Praveen over here, he's a student.
Always on weed. You're in your house.
I don't know what I am these days. It's confused soul. Mr. CP, Mr. Chandraprakash Mittal over here. Yeah, he's an investment consultant, and he and his wife, she's a homemaker, and they are the youngest members of the group. And Aditi over here,
You always never remember what I am. You remember everyone else, but you don't remember me.
about you.
You go to call up Red Bus.
Shut up, Praveen.
Shut up, Praveen. I know how I speak my Hindi. Just a small talk.
Yeah.
Okay, my introduction is done.
No, yes.
मुझे
बस
अभी तक I'm still
बहुत
confused.
हो गया.
बहुत हो गया.
What's that famous guy?
मेरी मातृभाषा है.
Okay, this is Nasir. He, I don't know.
He's trying to grow a beard to get respect.
He grows the French beard to get respect.
And unfortunately, the French have no respect.
Yeah.
So he's on the wrong path.
He's a videographer of our group. He's the only one who does free videography. That's why we hired him.
He's the one with the bazooka.
You want to say something, Nasir? Nanga Nasir?
Yeah, and we've rechristened him as.
Sonesh came up with that. I didn't. Sonesh ka hai wo. I won't take credit.
Yes, if you stop shooting my embarrassed look now, I'm done.
With the P, I don't know. You could put it whatever. Aditi just came Pakao, but
Hey, what do you think about yourself? That was others think about you.
I've got a good number of. I've got mixed reviews. Actually, some people call me undescribable names. Someone called me.
P से क्या मतलब?
Photographer is mostly, I think, this, but it sounds a bit cliched.
Pornography.
Yeah, that's that's not right. No, अभी तक इतना गंदा नहीं. But ठीक है, we can stick with Pakao Praveen. Yeah. We can stick with Pakao Praveen. Yes. So what am I? Well, I killed time in the name of an MBA. I murder people's life. I make them really miserable at office by suggesting all innovation, automation, all that shit. And VPs and GMs love me all the more for that.
You know what he's doing? He's doing the fun out of whatever I said and actually proving it true.
No, we have a time limit for it. You're done. You're done. Chal, next. And second thing, you have to remember this guy's name and then start off.
That was Pakao Praveen and reporting live.
Parveen.
That's gender, man.
Pretty Parveen.
That was Pakao Praveen reporting live.
You have to prove that also true?
And Aditi is giving the live commentary. I am Shady
In her
Siddharth.
own special Hindi.
Shut up!
Why does that irk you
I
so
am
much?
Shady Siddharth.
Because it's
Apparently, I provide a lot of shade to people, given my size. And I have a lot of beard, so that's also the shady aspect. So I'm nowhere near Anil Kapoor, who considers Indian man's heart, according to that movie, Mission Impossible. I don't know if anyone's seen it. Anyway, so I'm an economist by day, a henpecked husband by night. So, respectively.
What important husband? What?
Anyway, it's the same thing.
Once you reach house, you become. If you are married, you reach house.
Yet India has 1.26 billion people.
I do always.
Okay. सर जी
कितनी जल्दी नाम भूल जाता हूँ सब फिर भी
No, we'll say our names.
अकाउंट करना
Siddharth, what's his
शेडी सिद्धार्थ
Ready Siddharth.
Nanga?
Nasir.
नंगा नासिर
हुई, अटकाई हुई.
अटकाई हुई
This is the most difficult one. Take your time.
आप कंफ्यूज हो गए केरल कला करारी
No, the second part. The first part is okay.
करारी किलर
नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोला।
के भी हो जाता है
दो है
अभी अभी आपके नाम के आगे लगा
K सीरियल्स देखते हैं बहुत.
अब बड़ी मुश्किल है कि अब आप लोगों को भी बताना पड़ेगा ऐसे नाम मेरा है चंद्र प्रकाश मित्तल इट्स टू लॉन्ग सम पीपल कॉल मी CPM some people call me CPM
When you say that, then
Hey, what about you? What was your?
guys.
I'm
Guy.
and I
She said it.
yeah I've said it. So I'm Shiny Sonesh.
Wow.
Shiny Sonesh.
Shiny Ahuja. What did you do with your maid? What did you do
But
with
not
your
that
maid?
shiny. I haven't raped my mate as yet.
Oh my god.
In that case, maid did something to Shiny. He didn't do anything.
We don't know the truth yet.
So in the shiny part of my personality, you've already seen. And
Parachute hate you a lot. Parachute and all those
Arey,
$10 hate you a lot.
that's the only company which has rejected me as a brand ambassador.
So when a plane crashes, you will never get a parachute.
No, yeah.
You will be the only one who will die. They'll say, nahi, baal nahi hai, no parachute. No champi.
In fact, unfortunately, in group photos, I have to specifically ask people explicitly that boss, don't use flash.
It'll bounce off your head.
Exactly.
I'm Chandan. I work for Procter & Gamble.
See, sir.
The CA first. Confused channel. That's I think because
Okay.
I've
देख
tried so many
कंफ्यूज मत बोल
different
बहुत
things.
डर लगता है तो फिर तू कहीं और बैठ
Straight and confused. So I kind of work for Procter & Gamble. I manage Ole. Before that, I was working for Google for a couple of years
Wow.
बस हो गया
in terms of work. And
काफी हो गया आप लोग की जल गई अभी
pretty confused because I started off. My parents wanted me to become an engineer, which I never did. Took science, then I took up arts, did literature for my graduation. Then I joined NIFT Bombay and did fashion communication, which was a 4 years course. But I finished it in 4 months. I was tired of it, so I left that and I did my MBA.
communication दोस्त you're depicting all signs of being
Confused.
वो side से confused.
You were working Google as?
Huh?
You were working Google as?
As the online sales, and I joined in Hyderabad, but then I joined Gurgaon and US for some time. Online sales and operations. I'm not an engineer, so I'm a literature graduate.
Okay.
Advertising and marketing right now.
So the first page says Ground Zero, and it talks about the poor quality of Indian students with maths and all that. And Prime Minister, who usually doesn't speak, has come out and actually said, much to my dismay, that 2012 is the year of mathematics, which means I have to take the year twice. I usually fail maths. So the other thing is we invented zero. That's, we keep harping about it, like, we are the guys who have added the zero, and without the zero nothing would be possible. And I think most of our politicians have actually shown the right way to use zeros after one. So they keep adding zeros, as many zeros as possible, and they make our country very proud in quotes. And I don't see why 2012 should not be mathematics years. That means Mr. Manmohan Singh and his crew of people have a lot of plans ahead, again in quotes. So that is.
No, you want
Sure. You guys in India have online dating?
Yep.
Okay, so you know what I'm going to talk about. This is not about online dating. This is about buying precious stones online. The headline is Solitaire Online. As I read it, I thought about dating. I don't know, somehow I got to the topic. In Switzerland and Europe, it's like a big topic. Everyone wants to spend more time online, less time offline, and they think they can save a lot of time online. So, as I read this article, I thought it applies exactly to online dating. So here's what some people say. Rocks at the click of a mouse. New portals are changing the way Indians buy, jewelry it says here, but you could say, buy relationships. So, some quotes, if I went the traditional way, I would have had to visit a couple of showrooms, compare designs, prices and quality. It's a pain. So on a recently launched Indian portal, Bakshi, who is the person interviewed, could pick and choose from an array of brands, price options and designs. In a regular high-end store, I often feel shy about asking for the price of some pieces. But online, I can go through as many designs and prices as I want, and there's no pressure to purchase.
Interesting.
So, another one, on Valentine's Day, the store offers customized engravings on pendants and rings. But basically, when it comes to spending online, people prefer to spend less. It is the small, cheaper items that move fastest. So there you go. Thank you very much.
Good one.
Okay, even my article was about maths and people not liking maths. Okay, so now I've decided to become maths. Okay, and I am maths talking. Okay, and I'm saying I've haunted you since your childhood, right since you were born. All through your school, all through your college, right until death, I've been behind you like a ghost. I've been trying to get people to like me, but dude, no one likes me. I think I should just give up one day. Okay, that is maths talking, and then that is it.
Okay.
It's just like a stalker.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is kind of poetry.
I do.